May this message find the right people at the right time. This one's going to be short and sweet and simple and to the point is what Spirit is saying. They're saying incoming, 8 of Wands. It is your time. What you've been manifesting, what you have been praying for is aligning and crystallizing for you. You're going to know if this is for you because it's going to feel like I'm speaking directly to your soul. Directly to your soul. This would not have found you if it did not align with you. Thank you, God. Thank you, Goddess. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, angels. Thank you, ancestors. This would not have found you if it was not meant for you. You're going to know it because it's going to feel it. It's going to trigger an emotion in you. Otherwise, you're just going to scroll off and say bye. It's crystallizing into your world. It's being forged right now. What you have been praying for, 10 of Pentacles, is crystallizing and aligning. Happily ever after, 10 of Pentacles in your material world, happily ever after. Something that you have been praying for. For some of you, this is a house. For some of you, this is a house. For some of you, this is a new romantic relationship. For some of you, this is your career expansion or just financial upgrades. You have been through the ringer over the last 2 to 5 years. Some of you even 10. You've been through the ringer. You've been through some difficult situations that made you feel like you want to give up, that you did not want to exist anymore, and you didn't give up. And you closed out those cycles. 10 of Pentacles, set 10, cycle complete. You closed it out. And now it is your time. It is your time. It is your time. And there is nothing stopping this. There's nothing, my ears starting to ring. There's nothing that can stop this. This is true. This is not made up. This is real. This is your reality changing before your eyes. And your manifestations, your prayers, your desires manifesting into your real life. Happening now. Incoming. And there's a raven. I knew I saw it off in the distance. It just came out in front of me. And there's another one coming through. Another raven. 2 ravens. 222 might be significant for you. And ravens. Literally 222. I just 222 on the timer. 222. That's how you're going to know if it's for you as well. Celtic energy, the Triskelion, the Morrigan, St. Bridget. Yeah, it's your time. Short, sweet, and simple, and to the point. All right? The wheel is turning in your favor. Whew. The energy got weird when I just tried to end the video. Don't let anything discourage you or throw you off your path. All right? Keep going. It is meant for you. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. And don't let anything discourage you. Be confident in who you are, your power, and what you are capable of. Okay? If you feel called to work deeper together, you would like to support my work, or if you want to work in a personal session, private mentorship, or check out the Remembrance Mystery School, I would love to be there and support you and serve you on your path in life. All right. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next message. See how it got weird? Don't let anything discourage you. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next message that is meant to align with you. Goodbye for now.